Don't destroy your phone!
No, come on, no!
Why?
Wait, is that a real phone?
Is it?
I don't know if it's a real phone actually.
No. Why are you doubting?
Guys, is that a real phone or not? I'm not sure.
But what? I mean,
Oh,
what's the
wait.
metal piece of this?
No, I think it's
an iPhone.
It must
right?
be a fake, right?
It's for sure.
Who would do this to their phone? 5-minute crafts. I know they're crazy, but still, even they have limits.
Yep.
Okay, so we're taking. Oh no, it's a fake. We were just taking a mold of it. Liquid plastic.
Oh, it was a special phone for making the covers or something.
So we're making. Yeah, we're making phone case. Phone case hacks. Jeez. We got some epoxy resin here. A 5-minute craft staple.
Yeah.
Do you know they actually started selling epoxy resin kits? So you can make your own epoxy resin things from 5-minute crafts.
Seriously?
Yeah, for real.
Wow.
Yeah.
But is it a special one?
Not an advertisement, but kind of an advertisement. Okay, so on to this.
I didn't know about this.
Yeah.
But it's nice that they make some
It's cool, yeah. They're branching out.
Okay, shall we buy it and test it?
We should probably test it.
They
We
will
should
think this.
We should do a review.
Advertising, but that's why we.
Oh, yeah,
we're
maybe-
gonna do it.
Yeah, we won't do it. Never mind.
Yeah.
Unless you want us to do it, let us know. It's okay. I would prefer it
That's
without the
fine.
W.
Yeah.
Wow.
Why they always?
I love
do
that.
this?
That's awesome.
That's actually shiny.
It looks
yes.
super shiny, yeah.
Wow. Oh, and they screw it up with this.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
No.
I love it.
Wow.
That is so satisfying.
That's amazing. That's.
Oh, baby.
I
Baby dinner
have
first.
yeah. I have the goosebumps.
Wow. We both just got
Yeah.
speechless. Okay, so we're putting some
Exactly,
silicone again. We're getting another mold.
But what is that was for? I mean,
I don't know. I
it's
feel like
just the metal.
maybe
plate.
there's two parts of the case. Maybe.
Okay.
Could be. I don't know.
That's actually maybe you're right. I think you're right, but we'll see.
Okay.
So many. I mean, action around.
Yeah, there's
the
a lot of
one
steps
thing,
here.
Why they couldn't use that mold to
Yeah.
do just this
Exactly.
round thing? It's kind of
It's confusing. It's hard work.
Yeah.
These phone case makers.
Make it simple. Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah. No, it's okay. My sister actually, when she was in university, she did an internship where she designed Apple phone cases.
Wow.
Yeah, so they're like in a lot of Apple stores, they actually had her phone cases that she made, which was really cool.
That's sick.
Yeah,
Man, cool.
it's pretty
Wow.
cool. And now, I have to live up to that. So I'll react to her phone cases. Okay.
Okay, it's just a leather phone case, or it's.
So far, it just looks like a plain old leather phone case.
But I think they will do something.
They have
special.
to.
Yeah, they have to. It's
This is
not a
wood move.
way that they will keep it like so. Yep.
I take them very seriously.
Um,
5-minute crafts, not so much, but wood mood, yeah.
Wow. You have a.
I have a-
the
I have a wood mood crush. Okay,
Okay.
I have a 5-minute crush on wood mood.
You have favorite baby.
Yeah, basically. Okay, so now we're whoa.
Oh, what is this cut for?
Is this like a cool design, maybe?
Maybe, but
What is happening, sir? I thought you were done. I kind of liked it as it was, but okay.
No, me, I don't know.
No? Okay,
it's
then
too
never
simple.
mind.
This the way I like it.
Okay. I would prefer if the outside layer of leather was darker,
Yeah,
like a little bit darker. I think it would be
that's
cool.
true,
It would
but I
fit the
like
metal
this,
aesthetic
yeah.
more. This looks super cool.
That's super cool. But the thing is, it will not work with MagSafe or something. When you want to charge it through the wireless. charger.
Can't you charge?
Good one, Wood Mood. That was awesome. I loved it. Whoa, that is sick.
Pretty nice.
Awesome. Like a plastic suction thing. Yeah. Suction thing. Look at that. And then there we go. That's your phone case. You're done.
I want to put my hand in
You're
it
done.
and have
literally.
it like my hand.
I think it's painful.
Yeah.
I think.
Look, that's why is he carrying on? It's done. Oh, he's laser cutting stuff.
Something about
Whoa,
wood.
Whoa, moo. Nice. And the Canadian leave again. Why?
I guess that's their emblem.
Because it's a wood.
Oh, interesting. They don't have the
But it's a
full
maple
phone
leaf.
case thing happening here. This is like a partial phone case.
Bam.
Oh,
Bam. Bam.
Ah.
Boom.
Ooh.
And now you have a little
bit of
shield.
boom.
A little bit of maple leaf in my life.
They put it there.
Exactly,
Yeah.
so it'll be like embossed.
That's nice.
And you can
I
use
wanna
it as a
see it.
magnet thing, you know, to mount it on in your car and stuff.
I think it's not a metal.
They
it's
didn't
a
get that
copper.
corner very.
which
nice.
is
Is copper magnetized?
No.
No?
I think it's a not metal.
Let's see. But they should have gone with the magnet one because automatically you could have used it as a
That would be clever.
noise.
Okay, I
UV drying glue.
kind of like it.
Boom, 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 boom. Bam.
Okay.
Okay,
Bam.
that's nice.
Boom.
That's a nice little
Bam,
touch.
bam,
Those are gonna
bam.
fall out.
Nice.
Good job.
And
And so epoxy?
yes. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff.
Excellent work, gentle people.
Gentle people. Very nice.
Oh.
Gold leaf. Glitzer.
Okay, that's a little excessive, but okay.
No. I think it's just going to be the gold letters. I think it's going to be perfect.
Perfect.
They just need to remove the glitter. And bish, bash, bosh. There it is. Ooh,
Oh,
nice finish. I love it.
that's pretty nice.
That's my favorite.
Yeah, best
That's
one
my-
so far.
Yeah.
100%.
Wow.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
I want one. Look at that. Look at that finish.
Yeah.
I like it. Okay,
Wow.
that seems
Wow.
like luxury. You know,
It is.
Yeah,
it
feels
is.
like luxury.
Maybe one day we'll get a taste of it.
Probably not. Well, that put me in a wood mood.
Oh! Snap, bang, boom, bam, bam, bish. Give us more.
More reaction.
What mod is good?
Oh, let's see the next one. Okay, we got some little pink balls.
Oh.
Which, after I said it, sounded funny. Okay, that looks like a good ice cream. Looks like Dippin' Dots.
So foam for
Okay, we got foam. Let it dry. We got this.
nice. You
It's
can
alright.
swim with it. And
can
it
swim
will
with it.
hold you on the water. Like
Yeah, just your hand, nothing else. Ooh, ooh, that's kind of nice. You can interchange them, and they're all squidgy. And when they get gross, you can replace them.
and they will be gross
Yeah.
after
So
a day of using it. I think so.
we got a nice rainbow form coming in here. It looks like Superman ice cream. Have you ever had that?
No.
It's
I
like
don't know what
mainly in the
it's about.
Midwest. They have like it's kind of a mix of vanilla and banana and all these different. It's like one of the most unhealthy ice creams you can ever have.
Oh, okay.
It's delicious.
I need to try.
You should try it.
Foam.
Acrylic paint. Ooh. UV lamp it?
Excuse me? How you froze the foam?
I don't know. I want to know more. Show me.
Give us more.
Bunny ears! It's not a phone anymore, it's a statement.
Easy to lose it.
Yeah.
Okay, flip flop.
Ooh. So you get children's flip-flops and turn them into... And it's a holder!
Yeah.
That's so cute! Nice.
Actually, it's easy to hold it like
Yeah.
so, right?
Not bad.
Just don't wear them.
Don't wear them, yeah. Okay. It's gonna be a cat. Yay! Okay.
Nice.
That's alright.
Yeah.
That one's probably one of the less good ones. We got... No! Poor toy. That's like us when we blew up those toys. Oh. Interesting concept. I like it. Except it looks
I
a little
guess,
off on the top there.
It's like a bacteria.
Yeah. Alright, give us more!
More reactions.
Right now!